Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into one of the most essential skills for advanced modeling in Autodesk Fusion 360. Stitching surfaces. If you have ever imported a file that came in as a bunch of separate pieces, or if you are building complex shapes using the Surface Workspace, knowing how to stitch them together is the key to turning those open shells into solid 3D bodies. This process is absolutely vital for 3D printing, manufacturing, and keeping your design timeline clean. Before we jump into the steps, if you find this content helpful, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, open up your model in Fusion 360. You will often find that imported geometry, like step or IGEs files, sometimes arrives as a collection of individual surfaces rather than a single solid body. To fix this and join them together, we need to access specific tools. Look at the top left corner of your toolbar where it says Design. Click on that drop-down menu and switch it to the Surface Workspace. This changes your toolbar to reveal a specific set of tools tailored for manipulating surfaces. Now that we are in the Surface Workspace, navigate to the Modify menu in the toolbar. Click on Modify and from the drop-down list, select the Stitch command. This opens up the Stitch dialog box on your screen. This tool is designed to join adjacent surface faces together along their common edges to create a single continuous body. Now simply select the surface bodies you want to join. You can click them one by one in the canvas, or you can select the entire bodies folder in the browser on the left to grab everything at once. Once selected, you will see a preview showing which faces will be joined. You will also notice an option for tolerance. In most standard cases, the default tolerance works perfectly for clean geometry. However, if your model has very small gaps or imperfections from an import, you can adjust the maximum tolerance slider to help Fusion bridge those tiny gaps and heal the geometry. Once you are satisfied with the selection and settings, simply click OK. Fusion 360 will now calculate the result and combine the surfaces. If the surfaces you selected fully enclose a volume without any holes or gaps, Fusion will automatically convert them into a solid body. If they do not fully enclose a volume, they will remain a surface body, but they will be joined as one quilt. And that is all there is to it. You have successfully stitched surfaces in Fusion 360. If this video helped you understand the process better, please drop a like down below and hit subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.